Hello everyone. Today I'm here to tell you everything you need to know about contractual liability insurance. So, let's begin with understanding what contractual liability insurance is. Contractual liability insurance indemnifies the policyholders from liabilities stated in the contract. In simple terms, it helps to protect against liabilities that parties assume when entering a contract. The purpose of contractual liability is to pay on behalf of the liable party for the bodily injuries and the property damages caused to the third party. You might be wondering as to why do you need contractual liability insurance? To clarify your doubt, parties involved in a contract binds them in a contractual relationship with certain obligations to abide by. And a negligent mistake that violates those obligations can turn out to be costly to the liable party. According to Slate, around 60 lawsuits have been filed by contractors against Trump for avoiding payment of bills and breaching the contract. As a contractor, this is one of the very reasons why you should have contractual liability insurance. It is one of the key aspects of risk management, which helps to protect you from financial catastrophes. Moving on to the coverages provided by contractual liability insurance. As a contractor, there are several risks you need to prepare yourself from if something goes awry during one of your projects, such as breach of contract. A breach of contract takes place when one of the parties violates the terms and conditions stated out in the contract. If a contract is breached, it can result in dire consequences. Fraud. Contract fraud takes place when one of the parties of the contractual agreement deliberately presents information that misleads the other party. Your contractual liability insurance will cover you if you face any lawsuits due to these reasons. Now we have the common exclusions of contractual liability insurance. Most commercial general liability insurance policies exclude contractual liability insurance under coverage A, that is bodily injury and property damage liability. However, under this exclusion, there are two crucial exceptions to it. The first one is the liability of the insured imposed without the contract. And the second one is the liability assumed in a contract. Next we have the types of insurance that includes contractual liability insurance. The types of insurance packages that include contractual liability insurance are engineer insurance, truck insurance, handyman insurance, contractors insurance, construction insurance, landscaping insurance, and general contractor insurance. Finally, we have the most important that businesses must know, and that is the cost of contractual liability insurance. There are several factors that affect the premium costs of contractual liability insurance, and they are as follows. The number of independent contractors. The more the number of people involved in the contract, the chances are higher for negligence to take place. This in turn affects the contractual liability insurance costs. The contract history. The type of contract signed and one's previous work history will also affect the premium you have to pay for the coverage. The operation in different states. The payment of the premium for the coverage depends on how each state regulations operate under a contract. Your contract-related liabilities might drive you out of business. Fortunately, we have contractual liability insurance to protect you from such liabilities. Follow the link in the description to learn more about contractual liability insurance. Thank you.